AC Designs.
And it is just devastating when you see the impacts that it brought to so many people, not just us, along the First Coast. And here's the big system. So it swept all across the southeast, creating a line of damage and destruction with it. And now that's starting to push off into the Atlantic, though a lot of in the northeast still seeing some heavy rain, some snow also out of this system. Now for us, again, the rain has moved out. The severe weather threat is over. The last of the rain pushing out into the Atlantic. Earlier in this newscast, we already talked about all the damage we saw across our area, the trees down, other damage like that. What about rainfall totals? When we take a look, this is just radar estimated rainfall totals, but a lot of our area saw at least an inch of rain, if not more. Now it's still breezy out there. We have winds in the double digits coming in. This is sustained winds, 21-mile-per-hour winds right now in St. Simons Island and in Brunswick, 23 over in Lake City. Gusts are even stronger than that. Look at that. A gust of 35 miles an hour was just clocked in Brunswick. It's also cooling down quickly. It was a cold front that moved through, so now the cooler air is moving in behind it, and most everyone across the First Coast now dropping down into the 50s. Overnight tonight, lows will be on either side of 40 degrees, so some of you could be waking up to the upper 30s. It will be a chilly start to the day tomorrow. Then we're not going to warm up too much. Highs in the upper 50s. The high temperature today at the airport was 73 degrees, so it will be nearly 15 degrees colder tomorrow than it was this afternoon. We'll see more sunshine tomorrow, though. That will be nice, though chilly. Again, we're not going to warm up too much under that sunshine. Enjoy the sun while we have it. More clouds return again on Thursday. Highs stay right near 60 degrees. Another cold morning as well in the 30s across the First Coast. And then again, right near 60 on Thursday, more clouds. It's a sign of more rain on the way. That will arrive on Friday. Now, Friday is warm, like today, back into the middle 70s. We're expecting more rain, and in the evening, we could have thunderstorms. There's the possibility that these storms could be strong. Here's a look at what we're expecting. This is just one model run. Timing will be tweaked as this gets closer to us, but it looks like we could have a round of rain that could bring some strong storms with it Friday afternoon, but then the main risk would probably be with that cold front moving through Friday evening. And yes, it does look like we have some ingredients for strong storms again on Friday. And right now the Storm Prediction Center is highlighting more of our southeast Georgia area to be under that risk of severe weather, as well as places like Nassau County, mainly along and north of I-10. As of right now, that's where it looks like the risk is higher for a strong storm or two, mainly in the form of damaging wind gusts again. Now, just know that this risk right here does not look as significant as what we saw today, but it's something that we will watch closely. And then again, after that moves through, those temperatures drop once again. The weekend looks nice and calmer, mostly dry and a bit chilly.